Hello incredible coders, Krishna Sharma here and welcome back to Kredict. In today's video we are going to explore two essential elements for your website, favicons and iframes. This may be small detail but they can make a big impact on your web presence. So favicon is very important because they also called as a branding logo. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. So first, understanding what is favicon. First up, let's talk about favicon. They are those little icons you see in your browser tab. Think on them as the signature of your website. Today we will design our own and it's how we implement them effortlessly. I want to show you the favicon on different websites. So we have a website Kredict. So you can see this is here in the title. This is a favicon. I hope you understand this is a favicon. So what is the right path? Before we proceed, let's discuss favicon format. We want our favicon to shine across all browsers. So we will make sure we are using right format. So here we have the right format of favicon. So you can see this. We are linking our favicon in the index at let's just use of emit function right here in the title. Favicons and iframes. So in the head tag you are inserting your favicon. You have to just write link and this favicon. You can see this, you are getting the structure of favicon. So here we are getting the link with attribute relative, href and type. So we have in the two link, this is for 32 into 32 size. You have to just paste it also. So this is a right format to pasting a favicon. I hope you understand. Let's implement our favicon in HTML. So for implementing we have to just give the right path to our image in the href. So just write I have a favicon png you can see this. If I go live here, so our favicon is coming here. I hope you understand. Let's see this. This is our favicon. So understanding iframes. Now let's shift our focus to iframes, and iframe is like a window into another world of your web page. We will see how easy it to embed content from one page to another seamlessly. Embedding content with iframes. Let's pull theory into practice. We will embed content from another page using an iframe. It's like having a sneak peek into a different part of the internet without leaving your site. So like YouTube is allow us to embed content from their website. So here we have embedding. Just we have to go YouTube and search. Here we have our channel. Just go to this video and here you are seeing you are see this. We are getting this share option. Here and we have the share option. You have to just here go and you will get this embed option. You have to just click it and you are getting this link to embed this video. For this you have some different option also. Show video, show player controls or not. If you not allowed this, player control will not showing on your content, and enable privacy enhance mode and you can start from where you want video. So we have just click on show player and copy this content and paste it in our website. So go here, and in the body we are just writing here first embedding the iframes from YouTube. So after this heading we have to just paste that thing. So here we are getting the width 560, height 315. You can see this. So just go here and you can see this. This video is embedding on our web page. So you can just play it, and you can just full screen also it, and you can just go for on YouTube also. I hope you understand this. This is a very interesting topic. Now it's your turn. Open your text editor, design your favicon, implement it your website, and experiment with embedding content using iframes. Let your creativity flow, and don't forget to share your result with us. You have just elevated your web presence by mastering favicons and iframes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kredict, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more exciting web journey. Until next time, happy coding, and I will catch you in our next exploration.